Today we're going to talk about the work that we can do right at home. Homework, that's what I call it. What is homework? Well, I'm glad you asked. Homework is curriculum-based family interactive learning. It's learning that takes place outside of the classroom, or maybe just outside, outdoors. Homework is curriculum-based family interactive learning. It's learning that takes place outside of the classroom, or maybe just outside, outdoors. What homework is not, however, it's not a time for learners to learn alone just because they're at home. It's also not an opportunity for us to get away because the kids are at the table doing the homework. I know, I can hear you now, but I'm busy. Well, let me give you a little comfort. It does not have to take a lot of time for you to just monitor and provide a little wisdom and support. After all, it's not your homework, it's theirs. If you get involved too much, it becomes yours. You want to be involved just enough to make sure it's getting done and to provide a little wisdom and support. You just want to make sure your child has completed the assignments so that they can knock out ignorance. I still hear you complaining, but I'm too busy. Don't worry. Young children just like to have you nearby so they can ask questions if there's something they don't understand, so they can find wisdom from the great parent. Here's a suggestion. Have them do the homework near you, just so that you're in the same room with them, just so that they could feel your wisdom, just so that they could reach over and grab you and ask you a question when need be. Now that I've convinced you that you can do it, the question becomes now is, what should you do? Well, one thing is that praise goes a long way, sincere praise, when you're talking about children, because they want to please you. They want their teachers and their parents and their grandparents to be proud of them. Praise goes a long way, and the bigger, the better sincere praise that you can give them, the harder they'll work for you. Oh yeah, I got another one for you. It's been said that the power of life and death is in the tongue. So we have to be real careful how we say things to our young people. Instead of saying, you plan on handing that messy paper in, maybe another way to say it is, your teacher would understand your ideas better if you used your very best handwriting. Congratulations, you've just completed session 1. Please proceed to session 2, the final session.